Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine the key to becoming a millionaire isn't hidden in your bank account, but buried deep within your mind. Envision a world where financial abundance is not a distant dream, but an unshakable reality, where wealth flows as effortlessly as breath. This isn't about wishful thinking or mere positivity. It's about mastering the science of manifesting your deepest financial desires through a radical shift in consciousness. Today, I'll reveal a truth most never understand. Becoming a millionaire isn't about money. It's about becoming the person who naturally attracts wealth. This transformative principle, inspired by Neville Goddard, revolutionizes how we manifest abundance through the power of consciousness. Wealth isn't something you acquire. It's a state of being you embody. Most people spend their lives chasing money, believing it's something external to be pursued. But the truth is, your financial reality mirrors your internal assumptions about abundance. Every worry, doubt, or limitation you hold shapes your financial landscape. It's not the external world creating your reality. It's your internal state of consciousness. Consider how most approach wealth, waking up worried about bills, constantly calculating what they can't afford, and living in a state of lack. In contrast, those with a wealthy mindset see money not as something scarce, but as a natural flow, ever present and abundant. True wealth begins within. To attract financial abundance, you must first embody the consciousness of wealth. This isn't about repeating affirmations or visualizing checks in the mail. It's about assuming the state of wealth internally, knowing that the outer world will conform to that belief. Wealthy individuals don't wait for validation from their bank accounts. They move with quiet confidence, knowing their worth is inherent and expansive. When you embody this millionaire consciousness, you don't chase opportunities, they seek you out. You make decisions from a place of possibility, not fear. Every challenge becomes an opportunity for growth, not an obstacle to overcome. Most people see money as hard to obtain, something elusive. But when you shift your perspective, seeing wealth as a natural expression of your value, everything changes. A millionaire consciousness is not about accumulation, but about allowing wealth to flow through you effortlessly. Think of money like water. Some approach it with desperation, fearful it will run out. Others understand it as a constant flow, abundant and ever renewing. Which mindset do you inhabit? Manifestation is not magic, it's a law of consciousness. Your outer world reflects your inner state. Persistence is the bridge between your current reality and your desired one. But persistence doesn't mean forcing change. It means maintaining your internal state with unwavering conviction. Like a sculptor chiseling away to reveal a masterpiece, each moment you reinforce your wealth consciousness, you shape your external reality. Your current financial situation is merely a shadow of your past beliefs. Shift your consciousness, and your external world will inevitably follow. You're not trying to become wealthy. Your wealth expressing itself through you. Manifestation is not about hoping or wishing, but about knowing with certainty that abundance is your birthright. Every thought, decision, and interaction should reflect this understanding. Allow yourself to embody the consciousness of abundance, and you'll find that wealth flows to you effortlessly. This transformation begins not tomorrow or someday, but right now.